Every time you take one step, something pulls you back. But you get back up each time you fall. Wicked people and bad mind lurking in the dark. But I have no fear, I walk with Jah. Turn the world off and turn the music on just.
Well, to tell the truth, so from a tender age, when I was in a grade 1, I used to bring CD to a class party and I used to call me and say, yo, Javid, bring some music. And I say, yeah, music, man. From that, music was straight.
About 5 years now, 5-6 years, from Calabar days.
Alright, I've been playing music for like 6 or 7 years now.
Most around 60 years now. Start collect some money to start with the profession. Challenges. We face a whole heap of challenges, you know, because being that, you know, we young and so, the promoter them out there, they want all of the hot DJ, them hot sound them and things, so you don't know that go. Them kinda well, underpay you too, even if they want to pay at least after they don't play. Isn't it?
As a young DJ, some of the challenges we face is that, like, you have the veterans and sometimes they want to fight you out and say, boy, you're young, you can't do this, you can't do that. So sometimes I have to just look on it and say, you know what, you take what they want to say, and you just say, alright, you know what, that's what I feel, but me knowing myself, so me can do it because what? Me confidence in music and my thing, and me love music from a tender age, so I just do music.
And yeah, it's all good and this and that, but some of the problems we face is that, like, whenever we go to certain events, we're not allowed to play, or we say not allowed to get fight in terms of playing at a certain time slot when the veterans them and so-called big DJs them come. Them fight with a lot sometimes. Sometimes promoter them want undercharge, isn't it? Underpay, sorry. But apart from that, it's all good. Alright, being a part of Rebel Sound for 3 years now.
I've been a part of Rebel Sound for 6 months, 6 or 7 months. And what separates me from the rest is that I have a flair to my mixing. And when I'm juggling, I have a swagger thing. You know, I add a different thing.
I've been a part of Rebel Sound for 5 years now. Since its inception mixtape, from Frozen Ice days them. What set me aside different from most members still? I'm versatile. I can talk, I can play. With the type of DJ I can play for everybody. I can play for your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, anybody. All the dead, all anybody with dead, because my catalog big will start from the 40s come up. So just love music.
Why? 5 months now. Here, this month makes 6. And what set me aside is more my mindset now. Creativity wise, I don't know how to make remix. I come up with different ways to start different mixtapes.
Reps up, OVO. You already?
I don't really look up to a lot of them because I see them on the level that my team is. You know, but I have to give credit to who kind of contribute to my success, right? There are 2 DJs from the group, Insaneo and Romeo, yeah? I give them money and props because they're kind of building me in a way now since I've been on the sound. Outside of the group now, I look at the DJ crew and Javid from Qwarie. See? And Kapasha.
Well, my family at least, don't know comes from a line of DJ, right? Don't know my cousin DJ, Chris. DJ, cousin, our next cousin in LA play for English Pound Sound and so on. Look up the Kappa Shack, I don't know, I get written some superstars. And then look up the DJ Nico. And Nico always have a different job in man, so you see me?
First and foremost, DJs of look up to Calico, brother from Rona Sun City. Yeah, girl singer. Calico. Then now, me that say Tony Mataran, violinist, Richie T. Me look up the hardcore DJ. You see me? Copper shot sound.
Well, Tony Mataran. Boy, by my friend, you know, name Alice Watch. Qwarie, I'm a part of the sound too as well. Copper shot them, Renaissance, just to name a few.
It all depends on what kind of crowd still we are play for. Them time that we know what kind of music we go play. You see me, if I go play one of them uptown party that say age group 20 to 35, you know, we can't just go this with the same jug, you know, we play one of them, you know? Barbecue or one of them things, so we know what kind of crowd we are play for, what kind of songs.
Well, before going to a party, before I just sit down and just meds and say, alright, talk to my DJ them, sometimes we call them for the night before, we message them and say, hey, what we are doing tonight? I would say, hey, we are giving them something different, we just don't want some out of the ordinary, we don't just want to go and play like everybody else play, we say, alright. So we reach, we watch the crowd, we say, alright, hey, we're going to start from this, so we're going to bring it back to basics, and I say, alright, hey, this how we are going to go out of shell the place every time.
Don't really prepare for a set, you know, because I can't have the mindset or plan something before, because you know, man a plan, God a wife. So I can't say I play this, I can't play that because then the crowd is a different type of crowd. So you know, we're not the event, that's when we need to prepare.
You can't prepare for it. You can't ask no DJ. You go to the event, you see the man them are playing first, you watch the crowd fades out, you know what to play.
5 years I see Rebel Sound all over the place. You see them touring the whole world, China, Europe, everywhere. See myself all over the place, you know, cause with this DJ thing now, I can do it more than just as a hobby. You see me, I can say, alright, even though I work, I can do 95, I can say, alright, this is our next job. Because music is something where you can't stop. So I see myself I go out more and I say, yeah, time to make it in a life, you know, music.
She choose a club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she choose a club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she choose a club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she choose a working Monday night on the corner flipping hard. Made at least 3,000 on the boulevard.
What separates me from the rest is that I have a flair to my mixing. And when I'm juggling, I have a swagger to it. You know, I add a different thing. So unlike the others that would do the same thing that others do, I would.
That can't go in there, you know, we have to disrupt it. That can't go in there.